Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter or a Lopsided Crafter. And we have our own website, thelopsidedcrafter.com. Today we are going to go over the Premier Sock Kit. This is something new that is on the website, and as of March 19th, 2025, the filming of this video, these kits are $24.99, which I really do not think that is a bad price. So what is included in the kit? You get one solid ball of yarn, which is 114 yards or 25 grams, and you get two multi, which are 50 grams each. They're 229 yards and 50 grams. 458 yards and 100 grams of the multi. It is a US #1 super fine. It is 50% superwash merino, 25% rayon from bamboo, and 25% nylon. You can machine wash, tumble dry low. There is a QR code on the back of this kit that will take you directly to the patterns that are available for this yarn. There are two sock patterns, one for crochet and one for knit. So depending on which variety you like to do, I am going to make a sock on the loom with one of these, so we are going to see how it works up on the loom. But let's open this up. I'm going to open up the Citrus and Sunshine. So it comes in this cute little bag, and you tear open the top like so, and then it's in a resealable Ziploc bag, which is cute because, you know, you can just put everything right back in your bag, throw it in your main project bag, and everything will be right there together. So in this kit, the first thing that you get are DPNs. Now, if you are a beginner sock knitter, DPNs may or may not be the right way to go. It just depends on how well you do with multiple needles. I prefer myself, if I am needle knitting socks, to use a circular needle, although having the DPNs in the kit is good. They feel like they are a good sturdy DPN, and it says Premier Yarns on them, and they are a US 2, which I usually use a US 1 when I am knitting my socks. So for me, that would be just a little bit too big, but that's fine. That's fine. It also comes with the locking stitch markers, which is good to have stitch markers. However, personally, I like to use light bulb stitch markers when I am knitting socks. I thought I had one sitting up here on my desk, but I'm not seeing it right off. But I like to use the light bulb stitch markers instead of these. Nothing wrong with these. Nothing wrong at all. They will be used, but probably not for my socks. It also comes with a crochet hook. It is a 2.25 millimeter crochet hook. Again, it's good to have all this stuff in the kit. That way you don't have to go out and buy extra stuff. It seems to be an okay metal. It is a little flimsy. However, like I said, it's good to have it. So this will go into my loom knitting bag because it's always great to have a crochet hook when you're loom knitting also. So again, it'll be used. I just don't think it would hold up to everyday use. Now on to the yarn. So it comes, as I said, it comes with a solid, which is 114 yards or 25 grams. And this color is It's just citrus and sunshine. So I'm going to take a guess that this is sunshine and that this is citrus. This one is 229 yards or 50 grams, but again, you get 2 of them for the 100 grams of yarn. So you would use this for your leg and the foot, and ideally you should have enough for different colored toes and heels. With this 25 grams, you may even have enough to add a couple stripes of a different color in the actual cuff. I don't think you would have enough here for different colored cuffs, toes, and heels, but we can do a test and find out. Just see. I will see how much yarn I actually use for the cuff, the toe, and the heel by, you know, weighing the yarn before and after. And then I can give you a better idea of if it would be enough for all 3 of those, the cuff, toe, and heel, with this one ball of yarn here, this 25 grams. Again, I am going to be using the knitting loom for this. I may or may not start this within the next couple weeks when I'm out for surgery leave. I already have one project that I have started that I am going to be working on while I'm out. So I may not get to this, although I may get to it to kind of, you know, switch things up. But either way, the video would not be out until I get back to my office and filming area, which would be, I'm hoping, in May. I have enough videos already filmed to get me through the whole month of April. So you will be getting a new video twice a week, every week, while I'm out. So that would definitely be in the the next couple months future. But, you know, be looking for that on a what's on the loom video that I would do in the future. So yeah, that is what the sock kits look like. This one was the citrus and sunshine. And then we have Purple People, which is a lime green solid and a purple and lime green multi. And then we have Happy Hour, which the solid is purple and the multi is like a speckled white. It's a white with speckles of purple, and then it looks like it's got blues and greens and reds and oranges. They have 8 different color choices on their website, and again, they are currently $24.99 as of the filming of this video. And I actually think $24.99 for the yarn, the stitch markers, the knitting needles, the DPNs, the crochet hook, and the option of a crochet and knit pattern for a sock. Even though those are on the website, I still think that this is a good value. We will see how the yarn actually holds up once we make the sock. But I think, just from first glance, that it's going to be nice. And the bag is adorable. Isn't that cute? I really like it. And, you know, the fact that it comes in this sturdy plastic. And I love when things come in plastic because it is definitely easier for storage. So, yeah. that is the new Premier sock kit from Premier Yarns. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video about this new sock kit. And until next time, happy crocheting, happy knitting, and happy loom knitting. Bye.